Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CI/CD on GitHub Actions for VPS deployments. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your terminal and ensure you have Git installed on your local machine. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Initialize a new Git repository if you haven't done so by running Git init. Create a new branch for your CI/CD setup with git checkout b CI/CD setup. Create a new directory for GitHub Actions workflows with the command dirp.github/workflows. Inside this directory, create a new YAML file named deploy.yml. Open the deploy.yml file in your text editor. Start by defining the version of the workflow using name, CI/CD pipeline. Set the trigger for your workflow using on, push. Specify which branch to watch for changes by adding branches, main. Define the jobs section with jobs followed by a job name, for example, deploy to VPS. Set the runs on key to specify the operating system, like runs on Ubuntu latest. Add a steps section to outline the actions for your job. Begin with a checkout step by adding name, checkout code. Use the action uses, actions/checkout at v2 to fetch your repository code. Next, add a step to set up your server environment. Use name, setup node.js and specify the version necessary for your project. Add the command uses, action/setup node at v2 followed by with and node version 14. Install project dependencies with another step, using name, install dependencies. Set this step to run npm install. Next, add a step to build your project if applicable, labeled name, build project. Use the command run, npm run build. Now, it's time to deploy. Create a new step labeled name, deploy to VPS. Add the command run, ssh user at your VPS IP /s deploy.sh. Make sure to replace user and your VPS IP with your actual VPS credentials. The deploy.sh script should contain commands to pull the latest changes and restart your application server. Save and close the deploy.yml file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.